saw. This is battery powered. It's the 18 volt, and it's a little bit different than the blade left one. But I'm going to show you how to do this one here. So let me just mount my cameras, and all right, so let's get started. First of all, make sure there's no battery in here. Okay, you want to keep your fingers. All right. Hopefully you didn't lose the Allen key. It's usually stuck in the side here. Okay, so just pull that baby out, and we're going to loosen this up. Now that has a little shaft lock right here. Okay, you press that button and you move this around until it clicks in, and it will lock the blade in place so you can change it. So I'm going to press on that right now. Okay, right there, and it's lefty loosey on this. Okay, so we're going to move this. We don't have to put the blade guard out of the way just yet, so we're going to loosen this first. Right, okay, we got it loosened, and we're going to take the screw out, and then the flange washer. Okay, and then we're going to rotate the blade guard all the way. And you can lift this out, and you're ready to put in your new blade, right? And here we're going to do the reverse. Now when you put the blade in, remember that it cuts up, okay, when you're going forward. And usually the label will be facing out in the direction that you're supposed to cut. Okay, you see? Here's the front of the saw. Okay. So it's going to cut up into the piece of wood. All right, and as you see with the label, all right, now I'll show you the direction. Okay. So when you this is for a 6.25 inch saw, so we're not going to use this. We're going to put a 7.25 back. All right, that's the label, and we're going to stick that in there. Okay, it's cutting up and into the wood when you're looking forward. All right, so we're going to put the flange washer back on. All right, we can let go of the blade guard now. Once you get the blade on there, you don't have to hold the blade guard. And this is basically righty-tighty. Now the blade left saw is a little different. You go to complete opposite. But this is on the blade right, on the Ridgid, you're going to do this. Now I'm holding the cam lock down. Okay, when I'm going to tighten it. Remember that? Okay. And we're going to stick that in there, move it. You're going to feel the lock click into place once you get some tension on this. Okay. There we go. It's just the button fell into place. Now that's locked. You want to give a nice quick tighten, not super duper tight. All right, put nice, fairly tight. There you go. All right. And now you have just changed the blade. All right. So also, if this adjustment to adjust the height, the button is loose, I have a separate video telling you how to adjust this, because on some of the Ridgid saws, you don't have enough swing here. It hits the plate when you try and tighten it, and there's no more to go. And I tell you how to do that in the video that you're going to see posted up above. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you give a thumbs up on this video and a subscribe.